we find the bug in show2 function that for assertion we are comparing equality, then we have to use a 2 equal sign. But anyway, it worked based on the meaning of equal sign for true or false value. So to illustrate that, let me use just another file. Here, if I define n is 20, and then if I say if n is equal to 20, then let's say true, otherwise let's say false. Then of course, as I compile this program and as I run it, it is true. However, if I forgot to give 2 equal sign, 1 equal sign only, but checking as if it's a 2 or not, intended for equality, still I get true even if I get some warning. Warning is that result of assignment is being used. That's the one I'm trying to explain. If you use just the equal sign, then true or false is determined by the result of the assignment. At this moment, the result of assignment is 2, and then when number is given for true-false condition, C++, which is rooted on C language, if the value is a non-zero, it's treated as a true. If a value is 0, that's treated as a false. So if I check whether this is a negative 2 or not, then if I compile and then run it, it is still true because negative 2 is a non-zero. But if I intended to compare with a 0, but if I forgot to give a 2 equal sign, 1 equal sign only, then even if currently n is 0, not comparison is made, but the result of the assignment is used to determine true or false. So the result of assignment is 0, so if I compile and run, it says it's a false. So that's the C and C++. The Boolean is interchangeable with integer. So any result on the true-false condition, if the resulting number is a non-zero, it's always true. If it's 0, it's always a false. So at this moment, when I was giving 1 equal sign only, then whatever is assigned into this array, if the value is a non-zero, it's always true. If value is a 0, then this is always a false. So that was not correct. So we should give a 2 equal sign. And this is one of the common mistake you can make for equality comparison. And the C++ is a kind of a notorious for that, not checking the mistake you make instantly. Some of the recent compilers gives a warning, but it's never meant to be an error.